In this video, we will learn how to create this amazing 3D logo in Photoshop CS6 Extended. It will be super fun, so let's jump in Photoshop. Welcome back everyone. My name is Adnan Chaudhary from Tasty Tutorials, and sorry for the day I have missed. I didn't upload a video, so today I'm back with another amazing video, and it is pretty much amazing. So you can create a 3D shape. Actually, you can turn any shape into 3D layer, or let's just have a look on this. You just need to create a custom shape and just apply a 3D effect. Just apply your setting, and it could be any type of thing you want to create. So basically tutorial is about you can turn any shape into 3D logo. So today we will create this logo. It's amazing and looks fabulous. So let's jump in tutorial to start our work. So wait for the time. Okay, so this is the layer or we can say logo which we will use in our tutorial. So the link is given in the description bar. You can easily download that. So go to file, new, for simply press Ctrl N, and the size of the document is 9020 and the height is 1080 pixels. Resolution is 72 pixels and background contents are transparent. So we'll name this as 3D logo. So hit OK. Current profile is sRGB. If you want to upload this on web, so the color will be accurately same as they will upload it, or as you will actually see them. So there will be no difference between the regular version and after uploading version. So try to use sRGB. So hit OK. Okay, so the next step is we'll pick and drag it into our main document. Now press Ctrl T to size it down. It's pretty much in HD. So determine the size where it looks best. Okay, so it looks amazing, or maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, so nice. Now press Ctrl V and press Ctrl A and press Ctrl D. Now what I did just is press Ctrl A, select all the area and select this one. It is called align vertical centers. From this, align horizontal centers, so it could centerize your logo, text, or anything which you want to centerize. So press Ctrl D to deselect that. Now place the second layer and we'll give it a background color. So we would like to give it a white color. So on the next step we will do our logo. You can see that this is our logo. Name this logo as shape. Now right click on this and click on new 3D extrusion from selected layer. So nice. Now thing is that just select your shape front inflation material. Let me just show you more accurately. Now it's a shape front inflation material. It means that it will select the front face. Click on this diffuse button and we will color this any type of colors you want to select, like this one. So hit OK. You will see that the effect is not applied on our image. So the mistake is that just go to your layer. You will see that there is another option. First is inflation material, second is shape. So we'll click on the shape. Now it will apply it, but just turn on this and double click on this. It is asking that, it is saying that the texture shape PSD is contained in the scene in multiple places. So hit OK. It will open a new document. So turn this off, press Ctrl S and close this. Now you will see that if we turn off or turn on, it will just same. So go to your 3D options, select your front inflation material as we have selected the blue one. Right after that, select the third one, the shape extrusion material, and click on diffuse. Change its color to any type of colors. It is just a shine, so maybe it could yellow or a little bit orange maybe. Hit OK. Very nice. Now we will increase the shine to about maybe 75. It's all depends on you. You can leave it to 75. Okay, what other settings? We will not touch anything else, and we will select the second one also and change its color to maybe orange again. So hit OK. Now this is done. Now go to your layers panel, select the background layer, right click on it and click on postcard. So we will convert it into postcard layer. Now go back to your layers again, collapse this. Now press shift and select both of these layers and press Ctrl E. It will merge them into a single layers, but the 3D option will be contained as it will be. So before we do that step, press Ctrl Alt C and select your 3D shape layer, and we need to maybe, or just I think we should just leave it as it is. So press shift, select both of these layers. Actually I was thinking that we should just less the material extrusion, but I think it's nice here. So press Ctrl E, merge them into a single layer. Now you can make difference between both of these if you want to change it, make changes. There are both different layers, the postcard layer and the shape layer, so there is no confusion in both layers. Now all the settings are done. Let's just change the front inflation material of our blue color to a little dark blue. Maybe it could give a more sense to understand that. So I think it's okay. So nice. Now close these. Now everything is fine. What's next thing? Maybe we should just convert it to in a small image, maybe, because the size is pretty much bigger, or we should just leave it as it is. Here just want to create a render, so click on 3D and click on this icon. You can just click on this render, or you just go to 3D and it is all the way down, it's called render. So the shortcut is Alt Shift Control plus R. It will start rendering, so we'll click on render to start our work. Now you will see that the renders is begin. It will take a lot of time to render, so we will skip that step and wait for the process to complete, because the Photoshop rendering work is too much slow and too much amazing, because the results are always amazing. So we will meet on our right after finishing the render, so stay tuned and we will meet after render. Okay, so the process is complete now, and you can see that this is the final output, but we will edit some color correction so it could look more fabulous. So go to this layers panel and click anywhere and click a, or just click this layer and right click on it and convert it to smart object. Okay, so close these properties and open these adjustments. Now we have the final output. Press Ctrl and J so we could create a new copy of this. Then go to hue saturations and we will increase it to about right like where you like to find out more. Great. So before doing a before going to next step, we'll just create a new layer under this hue saturation layer and select this layer 1 copy and select your magic wand tool and press shift and click and select the front face of your logo. So this is the selection, creating a nice selection. Now select your second layer and press alt plus backspace to fill it with any color. You can see that there is a one color left, so select the layer back again and select this one, go to this layer and press alt plus backspace. Now press Ctrl D. You can see that nicely selected. You can put on any color, so we'll go to color overlay and put a nice color for this logo. We'll go with some this color or maybe little light color. Nice. Hit okay. We'll get back to later because we want to apply something more. Before doing next step, we go to inner shadow and click on this black color and give it a white color and select normal. Then after that increase this, we can say that opacity and size a little bit and distance a little bit. So great. Change the blend mode to soft light or overlay. So I would set it to overlay and hit OK. Now time to give it a color, so we'll bring this layer on front and select the hue saturation layer, then go to adjustments and we will select a color adjustment. from this color adjustment you can set a golden color like this one, and you can select more colors, like navigate to any other side like this. It looks great impact, gives a great impact like this one. I like this one. And let's just change the hue saturation and increase its not too much, just a little bit, maybe like this. And I think it looks nice, so it should be 0. And the next step is uh, you can use curves adjustments. So you'll find out curve adjustments and make it little more highlighted, not too much, just a little bit. And what's next is, let's just turn off this, it looks more nice, but we choose this one. And what else, you can see that there is no dark colors in around this logo. What we'll do is we'll go to this adjustment panel and select the selective colors. What it will do, it will actually put on your black color to back. So we'll select on black, increase the cyan. You can see that it could even edit your inside logo. It will always change the colors to the other colors like this one. You can see that, but we will not do that. We will make it 0, make it 0. We just need to edit black, so just a little bit, not too much, like this one, maybe a little more. Yes, so you can see that the inside logo is pretty much dark. But what we can do is we'll just select our layer mask thumbnail, press brush from your keyboard, and we will just erase or brush over it, so it will be hidden inside, from inside, so the inner side will be visible to us like this one. Now you can see that the black color is only applied on this side. And you can do a lot more things, a lot more fun you can have with it, so it all depends on you. So I hope you like this video, and soon I am actually working on my website, so you could be notified about new website, so you could get more stock from there, and you can get a lot more things to have about YouTube or about Photoshop. And don't forget to subscribe. Never stop and keep learning.